Hello and welcome to MARAT'S Kitchen. Today we're making roasted Brussels sprouts in peanut sauce. You want to make sure that you trim the ends of the Brussels sprouts, cut them in half, and you want to make sure that you wash the Brussels sprouts really thoroughly because a lot of dirt can get in between the leaves. Brussels sprouts are really good for you. They're rich in vitamin K, which is great and necessary for blood clotting and for bone health. Now you're going to get parchment paper and in a baking pan. Add a lot of olive oil after you've washed the Brussels sprouts, and you've drained them either in a salad spinner or in paper towels. Now we're going to roast garlic together with the Brussels sprouts. You want to take a whole garlic bulb and peel the garlic cloves and add that together with the Brussels sprouts and give that a good toss so the Brussels sprouts and garlic have all the oil mixed onto them. You're going to put that into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, you're going to make the peanut sauce. About 3 tablespoons of peanuts, a quarter teaspoon of chili peppers, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now put that over a medium-high heat in your stovetop and give that a good mix until all the ingredients melt very well together and have emulsified, and you have a nice smooth mixture. Look at that, it looks delicious. Now if you find that too thick, you can always add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Don't add too much because you'll find that the peanut butter will start to split if you add too much water. Once that's emulsified and comes to a simmer, while it's still warm, you want to add that to the Brussels sprouts. Give that a good toss to make sure that the garlic, the Brussels sprouts have a nice mix of the sauce, so every bite of that delicious tangy peanut sauce. Top it with some sesame seeds, and there you go. Delicious. Share that with your family. Share, comment, subscribe.